How to remove your YouTube account from other devices. So this is mainly useful if you forgot to sign out of other devices where your YouTube account is just signed in. So all you need to do to sign out your account remotely is to click on your profile logo on the top right or the bottom right. Now from here you should click on Google account, and then you want to click on security and sign in, and then scroll to your devices in the same page and click on manage all devices. And in this list, you should see all the devices where you're currently signed in. So you can pick any device that you want to sign out or any device that you don't recognize. So for example, click on the device like this, click on the arrow next to it, and it should ask you to verify yourself. Now to simply sign out the device, you can click on the sign out button as you can see right here. And this should sign out the device immediately so that it will require sign in again to be able to use this YouTube or Google account on the device. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.